Well guys, just a bit of a harvest update. Anyhow, we are on our very final run for 21. So harvest 21 is almost over, so we'll flick the dad's just going back up. So you can see there's crop there in front, and we look behind and there's nothing. So we're on the last round for harvest 2021. Yoo-yoo! Oh, it's good to have that off now. It's yielded really well, because 4 boxes off the header, and there'll be probably a good 6 or 7 ton on the truck already, maybe, I don't know. I will zoom you in. So there's about another 50 odd meters to go yet, and then harvest is done for 2021. And December, and then Christmas is on Friday, or not Friday, Saturday, so it's really good to be done with our harvest. And then the next harvest will probably be the hay harvest, where we go cut it for hay. I don't know when that's going to happen, but it'll be one day. So harvest 2021 is coming to an end. After the header having to sit in the shed for a month and a half, now it'll sit in there till after before Easter it'll come out again. So another, let's work out, so we'll go, hang on, we've got another 5, maybe in about 15-20 weeks time it'll come out again to take the sorghum off, depending. It'll be about 15 or 18 weeks, because it won't be very long. So there you are, it's coming to an end, it's getting less and less. So the time is 3 o'clock. Started at 10, I think it was. No, hang on. It was about 30:30. Let's work it out. Yeah, it was about 10:30 when we started harvest, and now it's 3 o'clock, so 10, an hour for lunch, so that was an hour and a half, now 3, so a bit over 5 hours. No, hang on. Yeah, about 3.5 hours. But anyhow, here we go for the final run of harvest 2021. We'll just watch it. It's good to see it off before Christmas. There we are. That must be the end. Well, he's very close to the end anyway. I didn't go for a ride on the header this time again. I probably should have, but I said I was going to, but I ended up didn't. There we are. Harvest 2021 is come to an end. We are now officially done with harvest 21 for 2021, and now we wait for 2022. Now hoping for a better year. Now he's just letting the straw and shit go through the header, cleaning it out a bit, and then we'll go up there and he'll shift it and then get the old blower out and we'll give her a bit of a blow off. There we are. He's just stopped it. Now he's going to head this way. So I'm assuming he's going to take the oats up this afternoon. There he is coming with the old Massey Harris, 510 Massey Ferguson header and the comb on. Now one good thing about this header is we don't have to take the comb off to go through gates or into the shed, because it's wide enough or narrow enough to get into the shed without having to take the comb off. Now we might as well drive up that way. We've got the Polaris parked in the shade while we're waiting, so we might as well quickly move it up there. It's on a bit of a slope. Give her a bit of a juice, and here we go. Go up there, we'll get the old blower out and we'll give it a bit of a blow off. There's a fucking hornet in here. Get you bloody big looking molly featured bastard. Oh well, here he comes. With the header. Final bit. Finally coming out the paddock for the last time this year. We have no more grain to harvest. Now we'll get it out. No more grain now to harvest now for 2021 until 2022, so the next harvest will be sorghum when it's ready. So this old header, it usually only comes out the shed for 2 crops a year, or 3 crops now this year, so it's come out 2 days over before Easter there to take the sorghum off. So it was 2 days. We got these 2 paddocks here done in a day, in a weekend, and now the barley he would have had it done a bit earlier if we didn't have the rain and we didn't have a breakdown. So anyhow, well, we'll talk to you next time, folks.